Hello guys and welcome back to Strawhat Engineers YouTube channel. In this channel, you will see days in our life and also tips and tricks to help your software development career. We have been software developers for a while now, and some of the advices which we wish someone would have given us when we were starting. So the other day, someone asked me how soon is too soon to look for your second software engineering job. I would say it is between 6 months to 1 year. And that is because during your first job, you won't get that much of a good pay. And also, in some cases, they might not let you work in the main things which you want to. But at the same time, the job is great for your resume, and that helps you to get future jobs in which you do get more pay and also you work on more things which you want to and gain even more experience. So I would say for your first job, sweet spot is between somewhere 6 months to 1 year, because if you can make that jump quicker, like around 6, 7, 8 months, then you can start learning and getting paid extra faster, rather than sticking at your first job for way longer, in which more likely than not, you'll get promotion later because it's your first company, and the raise in your salary will also be not that significant. So that is something to think about. So now we'll go and see our rest of the day. We have a very fun day planned for today, so can't wait to take you guys with us.
Hi guys, today we are going to Columbus, Georgia in order to meet our friend Meera. For those of you who don't know, Meera is our friend from Southern Illinois University. So right now we're going to go all the way from Atlanta, Georgia to Columbus to meet with her after almost a year. And we are going to go to Bowlero, which is an arcade cum bowling place. So we are going to go to Bowlero with Meera, have food, do some bowling, play some arcade games, have some fun, and again go back to Atlanta. That is the plan for today. It's on all sides of the road and you can't see between the trees. So green everywhere. Just loving this trip. We are near Meera's apartment. This is a beautiful neighborhood here. I especially have a thing for brick veneer buildings. So there is a lot of brick buildings over here. So that is pretty cool. Hey Meera! Hey Abhi!
Bowling time.
Yeah! Let's do some bowling now!
Very close. Yes, Harry. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Good job. Perfect.
So we just got done with bowling. All of us did great and Abhi killed it. Got done with bowling and now we are going to get food at the restaurant in Bowlero. It's called Bar. We have been waiting for more than half an hour for our food to come.
Yeah.
Because apparently Bar has only one waiter making the food and giving it to everyone else. But our friend Meera, she is lucky. Her food item got served first, and we have been still waiting for 20 minutes.
That is wrong. We need our food.
But good thing is, our friend is sharing her fries with us. So, thanks for the fries, Meera. So, how's your sandwich? How much rating will you give on a scale of 5?
3.5.
Good.
All the best.
So, there you go. 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5 out of 5.
I know the math.
Yeah, I love doing like calculations and stuff.
Now it's here.
How are you feeling now?
Very good. I was waiting for it for the
No trouble, I'm all about that bass, bass. Yeah, it's pretty good. I ain't no size two, but I can show my shit, don't make no worry about She says, boys, to the right, to the left, to the left, the left, the left. I'll keep going.
Play your rap stars and take it to the limelight. MDMA got you feeling like a champion. The city never sleep, let it slip.
Alright.
Pick you up and ride. These women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma melt the dude. Give me the rhythm and the things that never put 'em on foot.
We got to get the bad guys.
Yeah. The dinos. Alright, let's do. Nice.
We had a lot of fun at the bowling arena, Bowlero, yesterday. So at bowling, Adi was killing it. At arcade, my favorite game is shooting the aliens. So that I really love having a minigun that doesn't run out of bullets. So that was so much fun. Overall, we had a blast yesterday night. After what you saw, we dropped Meera at her house and we came back to Atlanta.
So that was a great unwinding day, and we do try to do some activity at least like once a week. So that helps us re-energize for Monday when our work comes. So that was a great day, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notification and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye.